This car is throwing a code P03 cylinder 2 misfire. Well, it looks brand new, folks. So let's find out. You hook one of these up to your phone, and it'll give you that code. Right here, you plug it up, and you put the car in the on position, and you want to run your diagnostic. I want the car to start up though, in the on position. Connect the car. It's random multiple cylinder misfire detected. So we changed the plug. We lost the code. We had a P0302, which was cylinder 2. We don't have that anymore. We just have this. So I'm going to actually clear the codes and see if it runs better, because that's just a random multiple cylinder misfire, and it's not doing that now. So we'll let that run and see if it stays that way. We'll leave this in here so it'll stay connected. So I was trying to read them in real time. No trouble codes found. So it'll run through your oxygen sensor and your PID snapshots. Even though I had to clear a code, the car seems to be running a lot smoother. That could be causing if your cats are clogged up, that could be causing that. A lot of things to be coming back into the engine with the heat and things.